If you're serious about growing your website, YouTube channel, or online business, one of the most powerful tools you can use is Semrush. It helps you to find keywords, analyze competitors, track ranking, research backlinks, and plan your SEO and marketing strategy more smartly than guessing. But many beginners don't want to pay right away, they want to try it first. That's why in this video I will show you a fast access method to get the Semrush free trial so you can explore the platform without paying at first. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to get the best experience with the tool or software. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description to get the direct access on Semrush and get some exclusive bonuses or extended version of free trial, and they will be applied automatically so you don't lose out on the best value. So I'm going to show you how you can easily get access to this Semrush free trial in a very fast way. Just use the link from description and you will be on this page. Click on this start for free. Now write your email address, password. Now clicking create account. Just fill out the captcha. Now you will be offered for the Semrush 1. It has the two plan. Starter plan is obviously $199 per month and Pro plan is $299 per month. And it is basically a free trial for 7 days. So after 7 days, you can easily cancel the free trial. So just click on this get free trial or skip this trial. Now next thing is obviously giving your personal information, your bank details and business number, and simply just click on this try it now and you will be redirected on the Semrush official website with the free trial. So that's it basically. This is how you can easily access to the Semrush free trial, and that was the fastest method. Now if you found this video helpful, give this video a like, share this video with someone who is trying to get access to the Semrush, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.